Nasdaq scaled to the record highs last week with the help of the supportive inflation data. Now, can we expect this rally to continue in the coming week as well? It is going to bounce back, it is going to rise further, or there is a possibility of a reversal. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading Tech 100 in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day targets for Nasdaq 100, first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. These two updates a day sets the direction for the day and helps you to take a positive decision such that you can profit. So do subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, which is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we'll look into the chart, and yes, towards the end of this update I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategies, so do watch. Now US 100 on the 4-hour chart, see it is taking support from the 20 period moving average. See the rise retracement taking the support here. We have seen another round of rise and it is again come to take the support from the 20 period moving average. Too much of divergence always calls for it to converge. Right now I can see it is traded in this bearish channel for a while and it is a nice flag formation. So if in the coming week, if you see Tech 100 first breaking past by 18600, you can initiate a buying entry and let it break beyond 18660 levels. Beyond this we will look forward to 18720, 18800, and if these three levels are taken, then you can say Nasdaq 100 is bound to deliver 19,000 levels soon. But I do see that as a very strong hurdle. I see that the bullishness might get diminished and we can look forward to a retracement. Now where you can sell and where you can consider that it is reversed, very simple. See, if you see it is staying below, see, first of all, look at the channel here it is created. If you connect the dots here, if you see this, now in the coming week, first we have to wait for it to break below 18500, 18400 zone, very strong support zone, and then 18200 levels. If these two 18200, 18100, if these two levels are taken, then we can say that Tech 100 has reversed, else it is still under retracement, not a reversal. If you look at the stochastic on the 4-hour chart, this is rising. The MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone and stayed in a comfortable zone. Coming to daily chart. Now look at daily charts. See, straight bullishness here. This is the channel in which it is trying to trade. Where is the lows of this? At around 18300 levels here. And also if you look at the moving averages, these have crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bullish. And this is certainly a bullish sign. The divergence of the price from the moving averages calls for it to converge. And this is the zone which is going to confirm the reversal. As long as 18200, 100 levels are not taken, we should not be treating Tech 100 as bearish. What has happened here on Tech 100? See the bearish channel and then this breakout, and thus it is continuing in this bullish channel for a while. This can repeat this pattern for a while from here. Retracement, rise, retracement. If you look at the stochastic, this is still overbought. The MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. After a long retracement, it is rising here. We can look forward to a rise towards the top, possibility exists. RSI near to top here. Coming to weekly. Likewise on the weekly charts, you can see sharp bullishness, then a retracement. It has taken the support from the 20 period and it is again on the up move. Now this could lead to another round of rally, but I do see that this is an overstretched rally and it has to soon show a pullback. But right now there are no signs of a reversal and it is still staying bullish. Let's wait for it to give a confirmation. As I said, the confirmation for reversal and the bearishness is only and only if it trades below 18100, the chances for which appears to be less in this. Too much of divergence among the weekly averages suggests that it has to convert soon. Right now it is looking upwards. See, first rise retracement, second rise retracement, and what has happened here after breaking this zone, it has rallied for weeks. I worry that this should not be the case this time, that it could continue with the rise here towards 20,000 levels. Let's wait and watch. Stochastic rising, MACD. Look at MACD. This is seen the double top levels. What has happened after the double top? It is since then traded bearish. It is trying to converge. And I have also mentioned, see, these are at a record high levels. Tech 100 has not seen such extremely overbought levels on the weekly charts, and again it is trying to converge. So ultimately it has to fall. That is very clear on the weekly charts. Ultimately it has to come down to these levels in the near future. That is very clear. Only thing is, the constraint is how far it is going to stretch the rally. See, with the last 4 greener candles, it is just converged. It is still not yet crossed over. It means that there is still bearishness, and it could again start to diverge. So thus we have to wait for the initiation of bearishness. We have to wait for a red candle from here on the weekly charts, and two subsequent red candles will confirm that that is the beginning of the fall towards the bottom. Right now it is not showing any such sign. RSI rising, again signs of bullishness. Coming to monthly chart. Now on the monthly charts, see, there was a reversal sign. We have seen it trading bearish. We have seen it delivering higher lows. Now it appears it is moving towards higher highs. We have to wait for the next candle in order to confirm the bullishness here. At the same time, if US 100 closes the month somewhere here at 18,000, 18,200 zone, then we can say that the possibility of a bearish candle in the coming month is there, where we can see prices taking a U-turn and where we can see the bearishness continuing here in the coming month. As right now the candle is bullish, we have seen it delivering higher lows and we have seen it delivering higher highs. So far I do see that possibly the highs of the month are done. We have to wait and watch. The stochastic on the monthly charts is extremely overbought, and it is staying overbought for now for since few months. This was the last time when it is achieved and stayed there at overbought levels. Now time for it to show a pullback like this. Now this is in sync with what we have seen on the weekly charts. Thus it suggests that the bears should soon be back in Tech 100, if not in the month of May, maybe in the second half of June. That will be one possibility. And where it closes this month is going to be one indication. If it closes at around 18,000, 18,200 levels, and the beginning of the next month is on a bearish note, we can expect that the month of June is going to be a bearish month. That is one observation which you should watch out for. Now look at MACD. This is one observation. Another observation here. See, straight bearishness was seen for months. Now for months it is staying bullish, it is looking upwards. Another observation here is, see the highs it has seen, and if it continues to reverse from here, we can say that another round of big bearish move is coming soon. Let's watch out. RSI is still rising. For the last 3 times it has entered into overbought zone. It has stayed there for months and months. So this time again it is on the verge of entering into overbought zone. And now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy such that you can all trade profitably and comfortably. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of a 31st mentorship batch starting coming Monday. Register yourself now, reach out to me for details. I am going to share all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups in this mentorship batch so that you can all identify the profitable trades and trends with ease and trade profitably. Else you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you all can benefit. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker with safe, secure presence, which is a regulated broker, which offers diverse set of instruments to trade for, and which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Join the broker and save much of your capital by paying almost negligible spreads and no hidden charges. Do join. Now first let's talk about the levels to buy. Again, as if Tech 100 is seen above 18,600, yes, it is a little distant level from the closing, but only and only if it stays above 18,600, I will recommend you to buy. Plus minus 10 points also you should keep it here. And once it stays beyond this, and if it stays beyond 18,650, 660 zone, then we can say now it is turning bullish. We can look forward to 18,712, and if it stays beyond 18,712 is where you can look forward to further bullish momentum. Then I will look forward to 18,800, and once 18,800 is taken is where the bulls will be interested in further rise towards 18,880, and 18. Beyond this, we can look forward to 19,000 in the near future. When I say near future, not necessarily next week, but yes, in the near future, we may see it hitting those levels. Those, if you look at 18,550 to 19,000, it is hardly 450 points of move, which is nothing for Tech 100. Just 2 days of bullishness with 200 points each, and we are now close to 19,000. So this is how the markets are. Now, on the downside, though I do not see it breaking these levels very soon, remember this fact, but these are markets. On the downside, where you should, You can sell at 18,500, but 18,500, 18,450, very good support, and in fact 18,400. These three levels you should watch out for. This complete zone between 400 and 500 is a great support, and if you see it is staying above below, then we can look forward to 18,320, 18,240, 18,200. Now it will come back to this critical support zone. This is going to be one critical support. On the downside, 18,100, 18,200 levels. Any drop below 18,100 will invite to the bears towards 17,970, 17,920 levels, and below which complete bearishness will be seen, though I do not see that happening in the coming week at least. And in the next week's review, we will see where it is going to start the next week, and then only we can take a position. Right now I do see that there has to be a pullback, but it is not showing much signs of it. Any closer of the month towards 18,100, 200 zone should be a confirmation that possibly we can see a bearish month in the coming month, else it is still showing bullishness. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the mentorship batch and the signals. Join the free Telegram channel. Join the channel memberships. Reach out to me for your queries. Have a happy, profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.